So last time I was here, you actually took a look at like my bicep. It's better. Like
Okay, good.
Like it's not.
Because you had where you were having even just
Like yeah, because like it wasn't like a like I could lift the weight, and it wasn't like something was gonna pop. It's just like I couldn't, like there was some impingement or something.
Right.
And then you did something with my neck and everything, and I think even if we did some active release or something, it would be even better.
So a little bit on the bicep.
Yeah, it was like right here when I came up, and it was like a pain. But now like I don't feel it at all or anything. And I think that you went in there and you kind of like dug in a little bit, but you also got my neck and everything. And I think that did help because you blew up something right here. Like you said, it was locked up. And then you opened it up. So
let's do a little bit of full upper back adjustment, neck adjustment, a little bit of soft tissue work on the bicep.
Sounds good.
Lay these down here for me. All right. Good.
Everything good with you though?
Good.
Excellent.
Okay, here we go. Get right in here. And get some of that red response right in here.
You feel knots in there?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it feels like there's knots in there.
Good. Okay. Take a deep breath. Exhale.
Oh.
There we go. Good. Okay, breathe in. All the way out. There we go. Good. Breathe in. All the way out. There you go. Good. Relax right in here. Nice. Okay. Here. Good. Laying your side facing this way.
This way?
Yeah, we'll do a full body adjustment. Rest your head there. Top leg bent. Right here. Rest your body there. Okay. Breathe in. All the way out. Nice. There it is. Good.
Yep.
Leg facing the opposite way for me. That was moving right before.
Yeah, it was.
Just go right over there. You go better.
Yeah, right.
Right there. Good. Okay. Breathe in. All the way out. There it is. Good. Leg face up for me. Okay. Trying a little bit of traction.
Feel really loose and
So I've done a couple of different wide strap videos, and like that where you're at or from that angle, it captures it pretty well.
Okay.
So right here, lift your head for me. Extend backwards. Okay, good. So wide strap is really good for spinal decompression. Yep. Okay, you're gonna get some movement right in here. We'll leave your feet just right where you're at. Leave your body right where you're at here. Super loose here. Good.
Oh, all the way down.
All the way down the spine?
Yeah.
Awesome. Good. Okay. All right. Did you feel that into the lower back as well?
Yeah, it was gonna get there, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Nice. Good. Good. Okay. Very good.
Awesome.
All right. So, why don't we do? Let me go just a few people.
Okay.
Then I'll. Which one are we? This side, right?
Yeah, this side was. I mean, it's pretty good now, but like, yeah, that was the part that was kind of like sore and everything like that. I think the things that are kind of maybe bothering me now are my shoulders or something. They like this. The left one is the one that kind of gives me the issue. So maybe if you want to take a look
we
at
can do
that.
that. So what we'll do is I'll be back here shortly. And then we'll do some back.
All right. You said.
Yeah. So lay face up here for
You
me.
can probably still just keep filming.
Okay. So.
I was gonna get a I tried texting Neva, but I think that maybe she got a new phone or something.
Oh, so try to get a massage.
Yeah, for her. Ooh, yep, it's sore. Do you feel knots and stuff in there?
Yeah, I feel it right here.
Oh yeah, I bet I feel it right there too. And nobody gets these knots like you. Like I get like massage and stuff, and they're good. They're really good massages. But is active release just different?
So we're at a little joint at a point here. We're gonna have bicep tendon, pec tendon, right?
Yeah.
And so what we do is we take it through range of motion.
Yeah.
Okay. And so if you're not having that done,
right,
you're just going to be working on a tissue that's just sitting there, right?
Yeah, right.
And so now I want you to rotate back towards me. Okay, come back to neutral. Rotate towards me. Back to neutral. Rotate towards me. Back to neutral. Rotate towards me. Back to neutral.
I feel loosening up.
Rotate towards me. Back to neutral. Rotate towards me. Back to neutral. Okay. Okay. Here I want you to extend out this way. And take it back as if you're doing a curl.
Yeah. Oh.
There you go.
Oh man.
Okay, good. Okay, extend again.
I feel my like hand going numb when that happens.
And take it back. Good. Okay. Okay, good. Okay. How's that feeling there?
It feels like you're opening something up,
Good.
actually. It feels like, man, these knots, they're like, no wonder I feel like when I do these shoulder extensions that they just become sore like minutes afterward. Oh, yep. Oh, yep.
Keep going. Back. Keep going. Back. Go. Back. Go.
Yeah, it's the stuff.
All right.
All
How's
right.
it feel?
Yeah, it feels like it's opened up for
Really
sure.
good?
Yeah, thanks a lot.
Yeah,
I
absolutely.
appreciate
Good
it.
stuff, man.